Want to ensure leads, workflows, and support tickets operate only during your actual working hours? Here's how to set up business hours in Zoho CRM. If this helps, don't forget to like and subscribe for more smart CRM tips. Open Zoho CRM and click on the setup icon in the top right corner. Under the general section, select company settings, then tap on business hours. Click create business hours to start a new schedule. Name your business hours, for example, main office hours, and choose the working days of the week. For each day, set your opening and closing times. You can add multiple time slots per day if your business takes a break in the middle, like lunch hours. If your team works across regions, you can also assign time zones to your business hours. Want to link these hours with customer support? You can assign business hours to users or departments for accurate SLA tracking and automation. Once done, click Save. Your business hours are now set and will help automate workflows and manage responses more efficiently. That's it. You've now configured business hours in Zoho CRM to better match your team's schedule. Like and subscribe for more Zoho CRM tutorials.